Do you want to add Instagram link to Facebook profile? You can put Insta link on Facebook with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add an Instagram link to your Facebook profile, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your Facebook profile screen. At the top of the screen, tap on the edit icon. A new screen will appear with different options. Scroll down to the contact info section. Under this, tap on the social media option. Now, a new screen will open. From here, tap on the add button. A pop-up will appear. Select Instagram from the list of platforms. Now, tap on Add Link button at the bottom of the screen. Choose one if visible or tap on Add Account to link new Instagram account and follow on-screen instruction. Once added, your Instagram link will appear on your Facebook profile, and visitors can tap it to open your Instagram account.